Good job, Jacob. Uh-oh. Start over? Okay. Good job, Jacob. Yeah, good job. Good job, big boy. Putting that puzzle together. What a big boy. Good job, Jacob. Good job, Jacob. Yay, Jacob. What you doing, boo? You putting the puzzle together again? Good job, big boy. What a big boy. Where does that one go? Good job. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good job, Jacob. Good job. Yay, Jacob! Yay, Jacob! He likes to pray, so we do this over and over again. Is that where that one goes? Uh-oh. Good job. Good job, Jacob. Good job. Oh, you're done? Jacob. Jacob. Jacob, look at Mommy. Jacob. I know you're busy. Jacob. Let's see if we can get a close-up of the face of the genius here. Hi. You're so smart. You are such a smart baby.